Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jenkins on AWS EC2 Ubuntu machine. So I have prepared a documentation and also it is available on my official website. So I'm going to walk through one by one. So here it is the documentation. If you want to install the Jenkins Ubuntu machine, so we have a prerequisite install Jenkins AWS EC2 instance. So before moving to, we have the AWS account free tier, and you should know the Linux basic command and SS client, and it's focused on at least 15 to 20 minutes. So here it is step by step guide. I'm going to teach you AWS EC2 Ubuntu machines Jenkins. So first you need to log in AWS console. Already I have a pre-tier account. I'm going to teach you one by one now. And the name server is a Jenkins, and AMI ID is a Ubuntu servers, instant type and key pair and network settings. So let's get into the lab session. So I have the AWS account free tier. So I'm going to select for EC2 instance now. Launch the instance. Bring name called Jenkins. So name server here. And select for Ubuntu machine AMI ID. At least this one. So Ubuntu server 22.0.1. So there is a for available free tier, so which I'm going to select now. If you want free tier, instead of that cost, we can select for other AMI IDs for this. So I'm going to select for the description for architect and AMI ID, and here it is for instance types available. So next step I'm going to generate a for key pair, so which is here. I'm just creating new key pair. There is a for name called Jenkins servers, or you just remove Jenkins. Just give name for dev and create a key pair and keep it safe secure place. So this is in my network settings. If you want to, you can select necessary. So in Jenkins, the 8080 is a default port number that's going to be installed, and we can able to access through that port numbers only in UI. So I'm selecting, and the configure storage is 8 GB based on our requirement. So it should be there for at least 4 to 5 GB minimum. This is for instance at least 2 GB RAM. That's enough for to run and install Jenkins. And additional title, we don't have any titles for here. So if you want, we can bring for instead of doing manual user data also, it's fine for to install. So if you have any knowledge about for shell scripting and bash scripting, we can put put it over the script, and we can, while instant creates itself, so it will be installed Jenkins. So I'm selecting for now number of instance, launch the instance. So now we have a launched for our Ubuntu machine. I'm selecting our Ubuntu machine instance ID. So here it is our details over here. So our instance ID for W80 our public IP address. So using this public IP address only, so we can able to see our Jenkins servers in UI. So these all are our details over here, which VPC ID, subnet, everything. So we can able to find out it. Yeah. Now we are going to install our Jenkins. So for that I'm going to connect our instance now. I'm taking for SS client. I'm copying this and I'm just typing over here for git bash. So git bash tool that we can connect our EC2 instance. So now you go to wherever you are having your PIM key which we downloaded while creating our instance. So now it is there for download folder mine. So I'm moving to over there. So clear, and I'll make it this bigger now. I'm just copying our SS client ID. Okay, so now we have successfully connected our Ubuntu machines using git bash tool. So we moving to another steps, going to this blog post and run the moving to package installation. So update the copy this command, you just run it update. So the machine going to update. It may take some time. So it's been updated now. Moving to other steps, installing Java. So Java is a tool, it's a prerequisite for installing Jenkins that we need to install. So copy this and come to command prompt, run this. So now the package has been installed. So you just type command java -v or -version. So the open JDK 17.0.7 has been installed now. So moving to other steps, that is going to install our Jenkins. First, add repository for Jenkins. So in Ubuntu server, you copy this command and run it our git bash tool. So the repo has been added. Moving to other command, copy this one, run it. So now we are going to update again our Ubuntu server. So it's being updated now. Next we are going to install Jenkins. So now the Jenkins has been installed. So moving to run next command, So start the Jenkins using these commands and run it again for our git bash. Copy this and come to for our git bash again. Clear this, paste it, and so finally we can check our Jenkins either running or not using this command sudo systemctl status Jenkins. So our Jenkins up and running our Ubuntu machines. For that, in order to check in our UI, you need to go to your AWS account, go to instance ID, get the public IP address, run over here, colon 8080 and hit enter. So if you're typing your public IP address and port numbers, so you can able to find out an UI. And in order to log in, unlock Jenkins, so you just copy this and come to your git bash and cat it. So we'll get the password. So hence I need to bring for this sudo permission, sudo cat. So you will get this password. You copy and enter over the admin passwords. So finally we have installed our Jenkins successfully in our Ubuntu machines and install plugins. Okay, so the plugin has been installed. Now you just give for your username and password. And save and continue. Save things and start using Jenkins. So finally we have installed our Jenkins in Ubuntu servers. So if you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.